Hello everyone and welcome back to Telegram Report Analysis videos on Monday 14th of November with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Active Markets. Let's look at dollar yen now and this incredible move from breakout on dollar yen. Big strong breakout above 107.47. That is the July high. Now look at the importance of this July high because it was a reaction low around that level, not a million miles off it. It's a key reaction low area. Subsequently a bit of a reaction high as well, and subsequently became the resistance in July, which I think is a key level that breaks to the upside. And if you sort of zoom out, you say, well, that is a base pattern. It's a big base pattern, and it's actually a 6-month base pattern that implies 107.47 up from 100 big figure area, 750 ticks of recovery. That puts you up around 115 again. Now let me get the crosshair on this. Not a bad improvement if that were to be seen. So this is a big turnaround, I think, potentially at play here. You need to close out above 107.47 to really confirm the move, and then you'd argue in the next 6 months you're likely to see continued recovery, and this sort of would play in to the whole continued dollar strength and improvement in risk sentiment. So it is certainly possible. I don't necessarily think it's going to happen obviously straight away. I think you've got the RSI, which is stretched at 72. Now, stretched at 72 doesn't necessarily mean it's going to definitely turn lower, but it certainly again reiterates the strength in the market. 72, it hasn't been above 70 in any real way since breaking down earlier in 2015. So that is again a reflection of the improvement in sentiment. I think a little correction wouldn't necessarily be amiss, and it would give you another chance to buy in. Again, I think there's a lovely support band now between 105.50 107.50. This old pivot of 105.50, so 200 ticks worth of support there, and that would be an ideal sort of buying zone now. Now on the hourly chart you can see between 105.50 you got a little reaction high at 106, and then again a reaction low at 106, so that's a bit of a pivot as well. The breakout at 106.95, again that's supportive. So a few levels there, but again even on the hourly RSI we are stretched on the momentum, and I think a little unwinding move would be ideal. So you'd look at the RSI and you think, well, around sort of mid 50s, mid to low 50s would be a decent opportunity if it were to be seen. So I think at the moment chasing it at this level is probably a little bit unwise potentially, because there is the prospect, I think, of a near-term little correction. But looking for a chance to buy. There's not really a great deal of resistance going on until you get to the sort of 111, 112 area. These sort of highs and lows between 111, 112 from the first and second quarters of the year. But now we're sort of, if we can close above 107.47, I think that is a very strong signal there for dollar yen. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.